That's it?
Yeah, I'm over.
Who honking?
Big ass truck.
We're about to work on Eric's car. We about to pull up to some friend's house, right? That they don't know about.
Nah, they don't know.
We're about to do a muffler delete. At home muffler delete. At home muffler delete on Eric's car. Well, it looks like they're all here.
The track piece, the Miata.
The Miata. This is Tony, and that's Eric's car. Let's see what he gotta say. What you gotta say?
He's gonna pull up that car real quick, and then we're gonna put that shit in there.
What you gotta say?
Oh.
What you gotta say? What you drinking?
Drinking a drink.
I'm not gonna have the mic thing because we're gonna be. It's not even windy.
Oh, let me reverse this joint.
Nope.
Going.
Do you want to show me your car?
Oh my god.
At Logan Nations. That's where you can find him on Instagram.
Where at?
At Logan Nations. I think that's what it is.
Sheesh.
Marco probably fit.
Marco, sit in it.
Yeah, but yeah, put it on the paint.
Yeah.
Have me fuck. Oh, drop the fucking scooter. Hey, you know it's gonna be my scooter soon. You know that, right?
I don't give a fuck.
Fuck you.
Hold on. Wait. Oh.
Why you struggling?
Yeah, this is.
Why you struggling?
This is a snuggle. Bong.
How crazy.
Wow, this hugs you so well.
No shit.
Well,
That's your perfect waist size
This is
too.
perfect for me.
Nope. Break the goddamn car.
Got a helmet, bro. My head's not gonna go nowhere.
So what's been done to this?
Just
Illegal?
mostly
Hey, don't say that.
mostly just like suspension and shit.
Okay. I like the hood. I like the hood. 17.
That's the painful part.
Looks nice.
No, it's not.
Doing.
That's some illegal modes.
No, don't say that.
Let me see that.
Alright,
I'll
here
show
you
you
go.
guys.
What are we doing?
Alright. Alright, so we're doing a little muffler delete. Cutting these big old cannons out the car. I'm probably gonna cut it like right there. He still has a bunch of rest dangers and stuff like that.
Hey, what's he doing?
Hey, whoa.
But yeah, we're gonna be doing that. Hopefully.
Are you doing that?
Oh!
Turn down?
Yeah, I told him to get a little turn down.
It's you, huh?
Huh?
No.
That is you, huh?
Nope.
Nope. Eric, you have a hole in the floor.
What?
You have a hole right here. I could touch stuff.
Touch what?
Some stuff in your trunk.
You think it's gonna be loud? Oh yeah, I know that. It's a hole where the
Hopefully. Hopefully loud.
Isn't that where the water's gonna
Bring me
drain?
your sauce out, boy. No one will touch you.
Hey, get up.
I'm about to get under there. Hey, bring me something I can cover my face with too.
Hey, get up.
Why?
Hey, what you got right there?
My hands. You want to cut it or you want me to cut it?
You cut it. Are you scared? Scared?
I mean, it's not the first time. He cut it. Yeah.
It ain't the first time, ain't it?
It ain't the first time.
Is it charged?
Should be enough.
Should be.
Hopefully.
We're only one cut away from listening to his car. Alright, bring me your little face mask.
Big guns. You don't need that. Hey, you don't need that. Hey, you don't need that. You don't need that. I'm just kidding.
That's where you're gonna cut it from?
Yeah, because if we do it right here, the turn down's not gonna work. Cause it's hot.
Oh shit!
Watch out.
Is it just one?
Can't see.
Hey, are you sure you want to do this? Cause there's no going back after this.
Yeah, this is literally no. Huh? There's literally no going back after this.
Jack up the car?
Yeah, I would. I'd jack it up.
I mean, we could probably get a better angle on this side.
Cause this thing's humongous and it barely fits right here.
I'd jack it.
Some thick metal.
Is it
No,
just?
this blade is dull as hell. Hey, you want to touch that?
No, thank you.
It's blue.
I'm playing at ease. You got another blade?
Sir, what is this stuff coming off from your diff?
Oh boy.
There you go.
The whiff.
And why has he got the diamond camo? Why is it glistening?
I'm saying. I could bench this car, watch.
There's so much fluid. Hey man, I just work here.
Okay.
She called me a fruitcake. Huh? My mom's.
Why?
Okay, fruitcake.
Man, I don't know.
Whoa.
I think it might be better if we lift the car, but I'll try one more time.
I'm telling you.
Hey, hold on, you're gonna hit this part, so just like slide me that. Yeah.
Put your finger in the way. Well, that's what I was cutting originally, right here.
Fuck it, go for it.
That is some hot metal.
That's cutting.
It's cutting, but it's freaking
Hey.
hot. Hold
What
up.
are you doing?
Hold up. It's tight under here, alright?
Did she use that?
Oi. Watch your hands. You're gonna burn yourself with the metal. Okay.
Straight cut?
Huh?
That's not a straight cut.
Don't worry, bro. Don't worry about it. I can't get a straight cut when it's like this. Here, let's jack up the car.
I've been told.
That car
Stay down.
That ain't no straight cut, bro. He wouldn't.
No, yeah,
Hey,
you know there's no going back, right?
No going back.
There's no going back.
No going back.
If you turn around, you're here. Tell me how I know.
How do you know?
I have an exhaust leak. Alright, just jack up the left side.
There's no going back after that.
Alright, Eric.
You already done cut it a little bit.
Oh, I'm through the pipe.
It's over, bruh. It's over. You already.
Where?
Huh?
What?
He already cut the pipe, so it's over. Can't go back.
Hey, show me tractor tires.
Hey, you can put some JB Weld on that shit. It'd be fine.
Dude, that metal burns.
Car shirt.
Hey, jack it off, pinch weld.
Huh? Jack it off what?
American
Pinch weld.
Jacket what?
Is this a light?
No. Is it on?
I don't know.
No, it's not light.
Oh God!
Hey, what's going on over here? Neighbors.
Right there.
George is trying to run Tristan in the new Porsche.
I'm talking about them, but I got
Tony's
my money on the
car.
Porsche.
Marco. I didn't bring my car. He picked me up, right?
Yeah, I picked him up in the fucking Uber over there.
He picked me up today because my car was parked outside and I didn't want to lose my parking spot. Ain't that right?
Huh?
Ain't that right?
Oh yeah.
And they jacking it up. They're jacking it off.
That's zoned out so bad.
But yeah. Huh?
I zoned out.
That's. I don't know why it does that, but yeah.
Alright, Eric, I'm like 25%. Hey!
What you doing, huh? Hey, what's that? What you doing? Oh my god. Hey, that's you, huh?
Nope.
Oh.
Nope. I need a new battery.
I don't fucking know where they are either. They're everywhere.
There might be, there's one right there.
Oh man.
Let me see that. I don't know if I showed them this already, but now I have more. What is this?
Wait, hold up. Good luck finding them. They're everywhere. There's only 2. Oh, Jesus Christ. What the fuck is this muffler?
See if this slides over here real quick. Oh, that's right. See what?
Yeah, this time.
Future thumbnail.
Ah! Dunzo? Turn it on!
Not already?
Yes.
R6.
Well, on the hanger.
Yeah, we have to take that off now.
it's just what's holding it? Where's my phone?
You don't have WD-40?
Huh?
You have WD-40?
We have PB blaster.
Same thing.
What size is that bolt?
Looks small, could be a 10.
10? Looks like it is 10.
Probably a 10.
Are you gonna take off the whole hanger?
Yeah,
I have a 10 in my car, actually.
you do?
Yeah, I don't.
Huh?
So how in the process we're already like 50%, huh? We're already like 50% off the muffler delete, huh?
What do you mean?
We're already like 50%. You already
Oh
got
yeah,
the-
yeah. We just gotta put on the Elite Carp California legal muffler.
Yeah,
Huh?
exactly. What you got back here?
Nothing.
Dead body? Oh,
What's on my phone?
huh?
Huh?
I realized he's on my phone.
Oh.
What is the chop saw?
So what's going on over here?
Yeah, shit.
What's going on?
Alright, let me see this.
Coming in.
Okay, so we're trying to get it off of this hanger right here, but it won't. What's that noise? Is that water?
Listen, listen.
There's water inside of it.
That's crazy. Alright, we're trying to get that off right there. You see that? Right here. But we're probably gonna chop it off right here just as we're tired of being struggled.
Damn, I didn't record. I didn't record. Hey, put it back up. Drop it again. I'm just kidding.
Fuck that.
What's all that?
Look creamy.
My fingers look creamy.
Huh?
Got it?
No, hold up. Okay, hold up. Hey, pose with it. Pose with it right next to it.
I put it on like this.
Yeah, it's for the thumbnail.
Oh my god, is that heavy?
Hey, shake it. Why is it like that?
Dump it.
Try and dump it.
Other way.
Oh my god.
That's all the condensation.
This is heavy.
All right, give it to him.
I gotta get the front.
Oh my god, what's going on? All right, we're gonna start it. Shh. I think it's gonna sound mean.
It's gonna sound hopefully nice.
That's hard speaking, bro.
Yeah, I bet.
That is quiet.
It's actually a lot quieter.
Yeah,
Give a
The
guess?
start was pretty good.
that sounds good.
Sounds nice actually.
Yeah.
Better than it was before.
Yeah, it sounds a lot
Rev
better.
that, John. Rev it.
You can ask. I'm gonna find out.
We're about to go back to AutoZone to return the turn down. To the turn down, and we're gonna get a bigger size. Look at that big old cannon.
It's heavy.
Let me see.
It's heavy.
It looks literally like traffic cones. Oh
How do you feel about the muffler delete
Oh,
now?
man, I like it.
You like it a lot more?
I like it a lot more.
Yeah. The thing is, you want it a little more louder,
I want it a
huh?
little more louder, a little bit more like. I want it to like. How do I say it?
You want it to bark more.
I want it to bark. Yeah.
Okay.
But this. All it did was.
It's just
It's
raise,
more louder.
Yeah.
It didn't change the sound. It's just more louder.
It's just a little. It's just like a tad bit more louder than the muffler.
You can definitely hear it though.
Yeah. So it's been a couple days since your muffler delete. How you feeling?
Fine. Good.
Sounds
Like
better,
it?
huh?
Sounds better. Yeah.
Yeah. So I forgot to make an outro, but this is the outro to the video. He's liking the muffler, the at-home muffler delete. So that's good. Alright, well, I guess this is the last video or the end of the video. And yeah, subscribe. There you go. Like the video, share the video, everything.